Do you have the latest Tesla software summer update? Do you have a teenager or someone first learning to drive? Well, this software update might be for you. It has something called Parental Controls, where you can fine-tune what they're allowed to do and what they may not be allowed to do. Stick with me, I'm going to show you all about it. Parental Controls on the latest Tesla software update. First up, here's what it looks like in the release notes. It's called Parental Controls and basically says you can now enable parental controls with a pin on your vehicle to set the maximum speed, limiting the acceleration and chill, turn on safety features such as speed limit warning, automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning, configure night curfew to receive notifications through your Tesla mobile app when the vehicle is driven past curfew, basically keeping an eye on the car when you're not driving it. So, to enable parental controls from the vehicle or the Tesla mobile app, navigate to Controls, Safety, Parental Controls, and follow the instructions on the screen. Let's go do that now. If you're finding value in our video right here, don't forget to hit the like button. It totally means a lot to me, as well as hit the subscribe button. Over 11,000 of you have already done so, and it really blows my mind. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. All right, car, safety, parental controls. There it is. It even says it's new. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on and see what happens. Okay, now we've got all the different settings available for parental controls. Speed limit, 85 miles an hour? Nah, let's knock that back. At least for this test, we're going to knock it all the way back to 50. I know that's not practical, but for this test, I want to show you exactly what happens and what happens when you're driving around town. Reduce acceleration. Now, that's new. We used to be able to limit the speed limit, and that's basically all there was. Now we're heading into new feature territory. Reduce acceleration, set to chill. Now, this is a Tesla Model Y performance, so acceleration is pretty crazy. Also, speed limit, I believe, is at 155 miles an hour. You definitely don't want your teen or new driver taking this car to the max. Required safety features include speed limit warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Those cannot be modified. Send curfew notifications. These are all the things that we saw in the release notes. So we're going to go ahead and hit confirm. For this test, we're just going to go ahead and do 1111, make it easy. And parental controls is now on. So let's take it for a drive and see what happens. All right, so right away, putting it in drive, it says speed limited to 50 miles an hour, so it's letting that driver know that that is actually engaged. It's also in chill mode, so those two things right away are telling us exactly what the driver is seeing. I better take off my reading glasses because this is driving and not reading. Here we go. So I'm pretty well versed in how this car should feel in terms of having the full features of, you know, a Tesla Model Y performance. The acceleration, how it should feel. I mean, it's pretty crazy. It's almost roller coaster-like. So we are driving in a neighborhood and really don't want to take it to 50 just yet, but we're going to take it out to a major street and we'll get up to speed and see exactly. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm feeling in the pedal and all that kind of fun stuff. So I don't think you're going to see much on the screen in terms of what's going on, but basically it still says chill and the other warning has been removed. Just received a warning, a light tone, which I've never heard in this car before. I think it's because I was going 33 in a 25. So it is warning you when you surpass the speed limit. All right, we're going to get on a street here that we can go 50, and I'm going to do the acceleration and see exactly how all that feels. All right, ready? Here we go. We're going to accelerate like I normally would. Oh, it's way sluggish. Still good. Okay, and then it kind of backs off right at the 50 mile an hour mark. I've got it pegged to the floor. I've literally got it all the way down to the floor. My foot is down to the floor and the max is 50. So that is definitely working. It tells the speed limit to 50 right here. And that's good. Still on chill up here. So we're coming up on a light and I'll be able to do this all over again and see exactly how it feels. So it's working as expected. Well, that take control is kind of, you know, we all get that. You don't have to be a teenage driver for that. All right, we're gonna get back on a road. This is also over 50 miles an hour. Actually, there's the speed limit sign right there. And it says 50, so we'll be able to get it up to speed, and that's it. No more fun after that. Obviously, got to wait for some traffic over here. A couple more cars. We still have a red light. And here we go. Let's launch. I've got it down to the floor, all the way. Oh, and of course, there's a light. Well, we'll launch it from this red light, which will be kind of fun. And we are kind of going uphill, but you know, this is a Tesla Model Y Performance. It should handle it. Oh, there's a Cybertruck. That's kind of cool. Right in the middle of our video, we've got a black Cybertruck coming. So, pretty awesome. I've seen that one before. And off to our left, we've got a nice Tesla Model.
I watch your channel.
I'm shooting a video right now.
I used your channel to drive to Vegas.
Awesome, thank you. That's awesome to hear. I'm doing a parental controls video right now.
Nice.
All right, see ya. All right, always love to see the fans. All right, we're launching, and we are limited back down to 50. It's actually not even getting to 50. It's going to 49, and now we're at 50. And so we're gonna go ahead and, that was awesome, by the way. We're gonna go ahead and turn here. So everything working as expected for this parental control situation. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and launch. We're in a 30 zone. I don't wanna go too high over the speed limit, but I want you to hear that tone. There it is. So that's a tone that we normally don't hear as a regular driver, but it is there for the parental controls. All right, there you go. Just a little quick video on the parental controls on the latest Tesla software update for the summer edition of 2024. Very cool to see a Cybertruck while doing the video, and a fan getting my attention and chatting it up and telling us they watched. That is so really awesome. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found value in this. Don't forget to hit the like button on the video. It truly means a lot to the channel. It helps us grow and further our content, as well as, if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. It puts a smile on my face every time I see the subscriber count go up. It's pretty awesome. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
I watch your channel.
I'm shooting a video right now.
I used your channel to drive to Vegas.
Awesome, thank you. That's awesome to hear. I'm doing a parental controls video right now.
Nice.
All right, see ya. We saw a viewer. So cool.